The Chief Minister of Meghalaya on the 23rd of March 2026 welcomed the passage of an amendment to the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council Ghadc mandating the possession of a scheduled tribe certificate for candidates contesting the MDC elections. Terming the development as a quote landmark reform, unquote, the Chief Minister said the amendment addresses a long pending issue and reinforces the constitutional mandate of the District Council to protect and preserve the customary practices, cultural identity and land rights of the indigenous Garo community. He pointed out that the demand for such a provision had remained unresolved for over 7 decades, with successive executive committees and governments failing to operationalize it. In the meantime, the National People's Party, which heads the present executive committee in the Ghadc, convened a meeting in Tura to mark and celebrate the passage of the amendment, describing it as a significant policy milestone.
Taksaganichi, Uni Idilanichi, Alu Chingaya Bilko, Paskana Manaha. Government Aro District Council lang Daknamat Zaha, Yako NPP ni government, Iko Dakid on gen, Aro on gen, Aro Susukat gen Pina. Aro the alliance come the first step, Aro Sakyu Inga. Wala ka man nga pangi, sumikra na siya. Taman siya. Plak ang sini party ni wakar ako nga. Ya sumay ba ako nga mantendas ka. Dalo grassroots level ni. Nasimang ni support rang kun sila matjaw de. Dalo ji kam rang kun sila kanas kinga. Amang salawat sokrat na matjawa.
Today in the Ghadc Autonomous District Council in the special session, the EC and the House in fact today has passed a historic resolution, or rather an amendment to the rules where it is made mandatory for any candidate who is contesting to have an ST certificate. This is truly a very historic moment and a very, very important decision, as we know that the district councils have already or traditionally been meant for the tribals of the region, and hence it is important that the conditions that have been introduced now in the Ghadc District Council should be brought in. And this was something that was a very long pending demand of the people, but for past 74 years none of the governments or district councils were able to do this. But I'm happy to see that today we have come to this very historic decision, and I'm sure that all our friends, non-tribal friends who are there, will understand that this council is something that is always meant for the tribals of the different parts of the region of the Northeast, and hence I'm sure that there will be cooperation from all angles, and we will all work together in peace and in harmony to ensure we take Garo Hills and the entire state and the region forward. Thank you very much.